Hi everyone, welcome back. I am KiranNara. We're going to learn how to find the first date of the current month and last date of the current month in a Power Automate. Now to do these, we're going to use a few actions related to any date and time and the converting from date and time to any text. Now first we'll find the current date and time, and then we'll find the first date of the month, and then we'll find the last date of the current month. Now how can we find the current date and time? You can use this action get current date and time. I'm using the same and then doing any here get current date only, and the system time zone I'm using, and the value I'm storing into the current date and time variable. Now the same current date and time converting to any text. While converting into any text, I'm specifying in a custom format, whereas month and the year and the date is always zero. First date of the month is nothing but in a 0, right? Now I'm specifying directly in first date of the month always says 0 1, right? Now I'm by default I'm specifying as a 0 1, and then that value where we're going to store into a variable called first date of the month, okay, from the current date. Then we're going to get the value of the current date, first date of the current date. Okay, now we have to find the last date of the month. Now to find the last date of the month, first we have to add a 1 month to the current date. Now to add a 1 month to the current date, I'm using this one, add to a date and time. Now current date already we have here, and then adding a 1 in the units of months. Okay, 1 month I'm adding to the current one. Now current month is 627, current date is 6/27/2025, and when you add it to this, it will become 7/27/2025. Okay, that we are storing into this variable, and after that we going to subtract it. Now the what subtraction we're going to do is, now the whatever the added month we have, right, 1 month we have added to the current date, that one we are subtracting in the current date and time. Then we're going to get the one value in a days format, in the value in a days. With the value in the days, we are storing that in a time difference in a days. Okay, now basically it is a 627 current one, and the added one is 727. Then the difference, if you take it, it will become a 30. Okay, now we have a value called 30, and then we're going to use at the final add to a date and time. Now I'm adding here to the current date and time. Now to the current date is what, 627. Now to get in a last date of the month, 627 plus 3 means plus 3 is a 6, it will be 630, means 630 is the last date of this month. Now with this we're going to get the last date of the month. Now here what I'm doing for that, to get the plus 3 value, how I'm getting is time difference days. Now where I'm getting time difference days, this one. When I'm doing a subtracting added month in the current date, then I'm getting the time difference, that is a 30 minus current date time day. Current date time day, what, if you go here, current date time day, then current date time is 27. 30 minus 27, 3. That 3 number adding in format of days to the current date and time, then it will become a 630. Okay, now let's run one by one and see the output. Okay, you can see here the first current date and time 627. After that we are getting the first date of the month 601, and after that we are adding 1 month to the current date and time. Current date and time is 627, adding a 1 month, it will become 727. Now after that, and subtracting, I am subtracting the added month in the current date, then it will become, we get a value called 30. Now, and I am again doing an adding to the date. Now to the current date I'm adding, means I'm adding 3 days. How the 3 days is coming, time difference in days minus current day 27. 30 minus 27, 3. Then 3 days we are adding to the current date, then it will become the 630 here, last date of the month 630. Okay, this is how we can able to find the first date of the month and the last date of the month, current month. Thank you.